So today let's discuss something related to pointers. So in today's video we will be discussing about what is the difference between plus plus star p star p plus plus and star plus plus p. Often we get these kind of questions in in the form, say what will be the output of the given code, and either of these three options are there, and we often get confused. So today I've decided to bring some insight into it. So let us try to write one simple program. So let's create one array of integer int arr, and we'll initialize it with two values, say 10 and 20. So ARR is an integer array having two values, that is 10 and 20. We create one integer pointer p and we assign it to ARR array. So now pointer p, which is an integer pointer, it points to an integer array, that is ARR. And after that we here print cout ARR of 0 is equal to, we'll write here backslash n, ARR of 0, ARR of 0, then we'll print cout ARR of 1 is equal to, and then we print cout star p is equal to, okay, so let us try to print the default values of this ARR 0, ARR 1. We have created one integer pointer and we have asked that p to point to ARR. So let's see what is the output of these three parameters. So here ARR of 0 is 10, I mean the first value, ARR 1 is 20, the second value, and p is an integer pointer which is asked to point to an integer array. So when we have asked that pointer p to point an integer array, it will point to the base address or the first element of an array. So this is one. Now let us try, we'll write here, first is plus plus star p. This is option 1. Second one that we can write is star p plus plus. This is your option 2. And third we can write is star plus plus p. This will be your option 3. Now we want to see these are the three options. These are the three options that we want to explore, that what will be the output of these three. So before going for the output, let us try to write down, or let us try to mention some rules based upon which you can easily or can correctly get the output. So the rule number one is precedence of prefix plus plus and star is same. Okay, the precedence of prefix plus plus and star is same. Okay, and associativity of both is right to left. So you need to remember this rule number one. The second rule is precedence of postfix plus plus is higher than both star and prefix plus plus. Associativity of postfix plus plus is left to right. So you need to remember these two rules. So let us try to explore the option 1. For that we'll comment out the remaining options. So what we have done is star plus plus p. Star plus plus p. So here definitely we have involved star operator and prefix plus plus. So out of these two rules, the rule number 1 will get applied here. So the rule number 1 says the precedence of prefix plus plus and star is same. It is same. So whom to execute first? Associativity comes into picture when the precedents are same. So associativity of both is right to left. So you need to consider operators from right to left. So this can be treated as plus plus star p, because the associativity says right to left. So right one will be associated with the pointer p and plus plus. So let's see the output now. So the output is, so first element, that is ARR of 0 is 11, it's not 10. ARR 1 is 20, star P is 11. So what has happened? So here it has incremented the star P. So star P represents the address of 0th element, that is the first element, that is 10, and increment of that, increment it by 1, that is 11. So ARR 0 is now 11, star P points to 11, star P has the value 11, whereas the first element, that is ARR 1, is 20 only. So this is how it works. Now let us try to explore the second option. So here we have two operators, that is one star and postfix plus plus. So rule number 2 will be applied here. So precedence of postfix plus plus is higher than both star and prefix plus plus. So the precedence of postfix plus plus is higher. Since the precedence of postfix plus plus is higher, we can read this out like P plus plus. We can read out like this. The meaning of this is this. Because the postfix plus plus has higher precedence than the star. Okay. Now let us see the output of the same. So ARR 0 is 10, ARR 1 is 20, and star P is 20. So how it worked? So P is a pointer which is pointing to your first memory location, that is ARR or A of 0. So what it has done, it has first P++ incremented the pointer. Now the pointer is pointing to your next memory location, that is ARR 1. That's why star P is equal to 20. Now let's explore the third option, star plus P. So this expression star plus P has two operators in it. One is a star and one is prefix plus plus. So the rule number 1 will get applied here. Prefix plus plus and star is are of same precedence. So when we have two operators of same precedence, then associativity will come in picture. And the associativity here is right to left. Since it is right to left, this can be rewritten as star plus P. This can be rewritten here as star plus P. Now let us try to see the output of this third option. 0, 10, ARR 1 is 20 and star P is 20. So plus P, earlier P is pointing to your first memory location, that is ARR 0. So plus P is incremented. Now P is pointing to your first memory location, star P, the value is 20. So let us try to revise it here. So any combination of this plus star or P plus star or star plus P, you can solve these kind of examples by simply remembering these two simple rules. That is, the precedence of prefix plus and star is same, and when the two operators have the same precedence, associativity come in picture, and the associativity of these two operators are, say, right to left. And precedence of next rule, that is precedence of postfix plus is higher than both star and prefix plus. The associativity of postfix plus is left to right. So this is for the combination of prefix plus and postfix plus with star.